Ban pedlong ya ka jinyathir ya thain ka babit ka babiang halor ka bha thungkam thungjam hapo ka jela ka Sorkar jela menta ka sngewbha ka lashim ya ka rai ban thung ya ka search committee ka ban wat bat Jied bat ban thung ban long Dkhot jong ka expert committee da ki rusham phang ka ban shong bishar ya ka reservation policy hapo ka jela ka kunhun menteri jong Sorkar jela ka lashim ya ka rai Haka jingelang ka balong menta ka sngi ka balai keran bat ya tai ban thung ya Dkhot jong ka expert committee ka kunhun menteri kalai ke jimunjur ya ka search committee but onkli ya ketika committee tau chief secretary ke jela but arngut ke head officer na katrat low but personnel pentip menteri rangba ke jela konrat kongkal sangma habai keran bat kelat pathai khubor hadin jong ketika jingelang menteri rangba ola pentip ru bag Sorkar jela kan sepenmi no ya ka office of memorandum ke bathamai ha ka bai dei bat ke jing penteri kam ya ka reservation roster Shushu ulong ru ba shisin bala penmi ya kenek OM on sapniat no syakmat ya ke jing thungkam thungjam hapo ke jelah.
Start their work immediately and hopefully they'll be able to get the names to the government at the earliest.
There has been demands to also appoint members of this expert committees from the state.
So yeah, the search committee will look into that.
Coming to this office memorandum, so old one will be amended.
Yes.
What year?
I'm sorry?
About the year. It will be prospective or retrospective?
No, as I said and I've maintained from day one that the roster is a continuous process. And the continuity, obviously it starts with 72, but the continuity is there. And we have been maintaining that in the past many years, the different positions that have been there have been filled up by certain communities in some cases and by different communities in certain cases. And hence, whatever the case may be, those positions were filled up. But the roster plotting is required to allow us to know where we are in the roster today. And hence, the data that's going to be plotted is going to allow us then to know from which particular serial number do we start now. And that is the main purpose. Yes, because recruitments cannot stop. I mean, if we put a stop to recruitment, then many of our youngsters who are meant to get jobs and who are going to apply for them, who will get overage as the days go by, will suffer. And hence, in the larger interest of ensuring that the youth get the jobs, while the review or the discussions of the committees will deliberate on the different aspects of reservation policy, the recruitments will continue. 2OM is going to be amended now to include certain aspects which will clarify. As I said, we will give the necessary details and the OM to all of you. It will be very technically complicated for me to explain all of the facts, but the recommendations that have been given by the all-party committee to us, we have included those recommendations to amend the OM.